From here, the voice, you know what you do, you know. I represent for Top Black TV, Bodies TV worldwide.
Welcome back to the program. Welcome back to Top Black TV. If you're new or new to the channel, please do like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to smash that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever Top Black TV drops another video. Alright, people. One of my subscribers sent me a video of a reggae party. And him title it Real Reggae Party. He said the man might play beer final. So, I'm going to watch this video with you, my viewers and subscribers. This is what my brethren call Real Reggae Party. Alright, we'll take it in.
Real record, the mother play. Real vinyl, no CD. Right in Spain.
You know what? Spain.
The mother take you away from Jamaica. Take you away from Jamaica.
All Rasta too. You took all that?
Jamaica lose it. We need to get back them style at Jamaica. So we have lots of peace and love.
Oh, with it. Spain. Give me a black friend. Invite the black people. People, this is our outdoor party, you know. And them black people out of our outdoor party.
Can't get back a dance like this in Jamaica. I'm going to raga keep one like this.
BS
Rubber dance.
Hey!
No, sir.
Yeah! And you know, when I was playing a lot of love for so many songs, I maybe forget some songs to remember we love you all.
DJ this.
And I wanted to say a special request to the collective, which is called What About the Half, which is a special winning thing.
What About the Half? Oh, ironic.
As women, and we say a lot of respect for What About the Half.
That's never been told.
You know, the whole of the things. Yeah! We love you like silver and gold, as I would tell you. Come!
My dream last night was about Alibaba.
Olive. Yo.
Coming down from the top into the very last drop.
From the top to the very last drop, them teeth. Man say boom. The Spaniard say boom.
My dream last night was about Alibaba. With the 40 thieves falling from the back person. He was there with me. I rode you a belly.
All the dance to the man them gone with. Huh? Jamaica, you mean for tell me say we make Spain a show we out for full joy yourself in a reggae party. When no one nah fuss and no shot nah bus. I guarantee you, not one of them man the strap. I feel the need to come out at the party. Stop! And when the party done, everybody go home quiet and safely. Nothing gonna go on in the parking lot. Jamaica, we can't make another culture. Japan already do it, you know. Japan already keep some dancehall party where rival in the dancehall party where we keep. And again, no one nah fuss. And no shot nah bus.
When me stop it, then you reply.
Me get it to you, all the tips for me have been a tip for you. Like no tip for you, fool, a full clip for you. Me a boost my gun, magazine long and bend. Me rifle spit shot like Jack and them. Bust it up, now run them, me rock and them. Mad pull a bus, now.
We a triple and we must score a goal. This a dance and we a get score. Dancers get score from the ceiling to the floor. Ivan we a get score. Dancers get score. No them can't stop this no more. Don't fly out on tour. Dancers get score. Tell him he said this a hardcore. Tell him belly got through the door. Right to know them. And then no one laughs.
Nobody now run up and down. Just peace and love. We want to mix that with a little badness. Dancer artists them, the first thing them do is give themselves some outlaw name. Josie Wheels, Bounty Killer.
Our killer them a make the most up here the weekend. Fire shop locks and you go sleep. All of me G's them strap machine grease. When ya loud one general a speak.
So we have to Lego the badness part of our culture. Other part there, I mash with them. Anyways, I tell you about the half that's never been told. Well, it's ironic say it's Spain I go on so. Cause guess what? Are we civilized Spain? Are we teach Spain agriculture and architecture? Are we civilized Spain? I rule Spain for 700 years.
During the formation of Europe's first civilization in Greece, it was the black Africans from the Nile Valley who civilized the Greeks. Later, as Greece handed over the acquired culture to the Romans, who almost lost it, initiating the Dark Ages. The Moors came onto the scene and helped restore civilization. In 711 AD, after the collapse of the Roman Empire, the warring tribes from the Caucasus were pushed to Western Europe, while the Moors invaded Spanish shores, bringing culture to these barbaric tribes. On to them. The African Muslims ruled over Spain, Portugal, southern France, and North Africa for over 700 years. While the monarchs of France, Germany, and England dwelled in barns with no ventilation system and were convinced that their subjects shouldn't indulge in cleanliness, as it amounted to sinning, Muslim Spain was always ahead, building 600 baths. Them checks said a sin for bed. And we surround the world afresh. Chat about. Come to them. Listen. Education. According to the Center of Research in Globalization, in Christian Europe, nearly 99% of the population was illiterate. Even a majority of the monarchs themselves couldn't read. Alright. Fully done.
We used to rule Spain. Till them take it forward. But I never know, so them still take things from me. Not one black man in the party. But it's a black man party. That not look good. Leave it at. Let me know what you think. This is
Top Black TV. Get mad now. Get mad now. Get mad now.